Hello. Today, AI has become one of the most powerful tools for programmers. In this video, we introduce the best AIs that can help you with coding. The first option is GitHub Copilot. This tool provides smart code suggestions, significantly increasing your coding speed, and is especially useful for both beginner and professional developers. Next is ChatGPT. This model can help you with coding problems, code optimization, and even explain complex concepts. Its newer versions perform even better in bug detection and fixing. Codeium is another free and powerful option for code autocompletion. It works similarly to Copilot and supports multiple languages. For debugging and testing, Tabnine is a great choice. This AI offers more precise suggestions and focuses more on code security. Finally, if you're looking for a more specialized AI, Amazon Code Whisperer is an option that provides optimized suggestions by learning from open-source code repositories. Each of these tools can be useful, depending on your needs. Which AI do you use for programming? Share your thoughts in the comments.